There, we're going to do a background on a card, and first we're going to start out with a dark blue. We just want to get the color on. Then we want to do a lighter blue. Then we're going to take a dark purple. I think I want to come down just a little bit with that. And put in some mountains here. Draw them however you want to. And then there's a lighter purple one I want to go in with. Now, if any luck, this will turn out gorgeous. So, we're going to take the alcohol and drip it down from the side and see what it'll do. I think I want to do it this way. A little backwards, but there we go. But I don't want my mountains to get messed up. But to do them separate is a whole nother problem, or at least for me it is. And if you find something you kind of like, then I would say go ahead and start blow drying it. Get it on the paper towel. This one is wet, wet, wet. All right. Mountains didn't come out great. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Let's do this. This is the lighter purple. We can put a second row in there. See what that does. We'll take the dark purple. I really want these to be more pronounced, and they're just not. Now, I like them. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. All right. Let me get a sheet where you can see. I can't see against that black. All right. What I want to do is go ahead and spray this with the varnish, and I will be right back. Okay. So I've got that sprayed, and this is what I spray it with. And once it dries, you can do whatever you want to on it. Now I'm going to do my trees. And I like the little atlas looking trees. They're little spriggly and they just hang there. So I think we'll put one here. And making short movements just makes it look like it's got some highlights and lowlights to it. The light and dark of the branches or in the trunk. Then I'm just kind of going in here and just doing something. When you're doing something like this, you just have to indicate. You don't have to be fabulous at it. Just indicate that there's branches there, and everybody's imagination will take over. Kind of looks like a spooky tree. All right, I want another one over here. Now remember, we're going to trim these edges, so you don't want to get too far over with your trees. So we'll do one right here. And with that varnish on this, it doesn't pull up the ink that's underneath it. So you don't have to worry about smearing it or anything like that. And I think I want one here. Alright, so let's say we have a hill here. And And maybe another one here. All right, and there you go. You can make that into a card or a picture. So y'all have fun.